Alright, guys, welcome back. So, this is the last video of this section SEO career. So, best way of using SEO clients using AI. So, how when you're somebody and you have a skill and you want to now you are ready to sell your skills. So, what are the best ways how you can sell it? First thing first, cold outreach. So, basically, cold outreach is a process of finding clients using using a research method, which is like you can search like just come to the Google and search SEO agencies in USA, SEO agencies in UK, or SEO agencies in any country. Just change the country and you will eventually find tons of SEO agencies here. So they basically do hire SEO clients, sorry, SEO services, job seekers like remote breakers. So if you are somebody who just want to work, all you need is to click on the webs each of these websites. Here I just recommend this one. So this is basically an SEO agency which provide all of these services. So you can also call them that and offer your offer your pitch that I am this and that, and I can help you with your team efforts and provide you SEO services. If you're just giving me some kind of chance, I will do my best to give results of ranking. And so create a pitch and then search on Google and uh, you know uh, create an email and then find all of these websites and then just pitch them with your email or with the numbers. They also mentioned the number. If they mention the email, email them, or if you can see the number, just call them. So this is how this is how you sell services of your uh, of any kind. If you are an SEO expert, you can sell by cold outreach. Build an audience, specialize in one niche, apply it to jobs, and turn them into clients, partner up with agencies. The second point is build an audience. So if you are an SEO expert, you should be creating content around SEO, and people will eventually like your SEO content. So if somebody is working, if somebody's CEO, if somebody is CEO of another website, right? So if he likes your content, he will eventually ask you about your services. So this is also best way to get clients when you start creating content around your niche, specialize in one niche. So the third point is, let's say you are targeting SEO SEO services in Spain. So you should be very particular about a certain niche that you are providing SEO services in particular website like tech niches or like an a sports niche. So it's on you what niche do you choose, but you should be specialize in just one niche. If somebody is coming to you, you should say that I will do tech SEO for your website. Apply to jobs and turn them into clients. So I booked these are sorry this these are the websites. But here you can see we have some of the freelancing websites. Contra, which is a freelancing website, and all you need is to just create a account. Here you can see sign up, and then create create a profile, optimized profile, and show your work. And people will eventually find you, and you can find some of the some of the clients, of course. So these are the websites. Upwork.com. I personally is on Upwork. I do sell my services on this website, so this is very cool. But now Upwork is very competitive and it requires a lot of investment to be on Upwork. There is a cost for profile optimization, there is a cost for connects. There's a lot of investment required in your when you're starting out on Upwork. But you can do it because Upwork give you 40 connects in the start of if somebody sign ups. So try out Upwork. Here you can see we have third website, people per hour. This is pretty much same as Fiverr, where you put your work out there and client come and see. see the work, and then they just choose a specific freelancer for their. So if you're somebody who is like uh who is somebody who create a good amount of SEO results, you can put out your work and show that how you can help a client, how you can help agencies. So there's a chance that client will eventually approach you. Here you can see we have another website, Fiverr.com. I was on I was also on Fiverr. But I don't really like Fiverr because Fiverr it's just like work as that you have to show your shop. Like this is a shop of each person, right? And a client will come and choose you. But in a perk, you choose clients. Client don't really choose you. So I just like a perk because of this, because I got a chance to work with the clients. It gives you options to apply for certain jobs. So I really prefer Upwork because this is something I really prefer. Whereas Fiverr, you just put your shop out there, client will come and select you. Here we have another hire freelancer.com, which is a very popular website. I also own Fiverr freelancer.com, and this is very good because it in on this website you have a chance to show your course, show your work as well, and you have a chance to apply for jobs and bids. And bids, bids are something that you should do. I mean, if you're applying for certain jobs, that is known as bid. So you can also use freelancer.com for finding clients. Moving back to these slides, here we have fifth point, partner up with agencies. So there are some of the social media platforms like LinkedIn and Indeed.com, and we have another. I guess we have another website which is like Glassdoor. So all you need is to create account on these on these platforms, and then there are tons and tons of agencies which are looking for SEO experts for their website, for their blogs. And that's pretty much it, I guess, for this. I hope to understand what I'm trying to say and what are the websites that you should sign up on and how you can sell services of SEO. I hope that's pretty much it. See you in the next one.